Good morning, student. This is part 2 of the chapter Measures of Central Value. And in this video, we are going to learn first about how to calculate mean by shortcut method in a continuous series. Now, let's read the question. Calculate the average marks of a student by shortcut method. एवरेज मार्क्स का मतलब है बेटा, यहाँ पे मीन की बात कर रहा है ये, अरिथमेटिक मीन मतलब मीन. Marks and frequency is given. It means it is a continuous series. Now, as I told you, in a continuous series, first we have to calculate the value of x, that is the middle value of class interval. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2, that is 55. And now, in a continuous series also, the same formula which we will use, which we are using in a discrete series, that is mean is equals to a plus sigma fd upon n. मीन्स डिस्क्रीट सीरीज का जो फॉर्मूला था शॉर्टकट मेथड का, वही सेम फॉर्मूला कंटिन्यूस सीरीज के शॉर्टकट मेथड में यूज होगा. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे बेटा, डी कैलकुलेट करेंगे. एक्स के बाद डी किससे निकलता है, एक्स माइनस ए. ए क्या है, एज्यूम मीन, जो आप कोई भी वैल्यू एक्स पे से ले सकते हो. यहाँ पे मैंने 35 ली है, ठीक है. नाउ 5 minus 35 is minus 30. 15 minus 35 is minus 20. 25 minus 35 is minus 10. 35 minus 35 is 0. 45 minus 35 is 10. 55 minus 45 is 35 is 20. तो हमने x की सारी वैल्यूज को 35 से माइनस किया है, तो हमारी d की वैल्यू आई है. नो इन अ फॉर्मूला, but we want fd. It means we have to multiply f with d. 5 into minus 30 is minus 150. 10 into minus 20 is minus 200. 25 into minus 10 is minus 250. 30 into 0 is 0. 20 into 10 is 200. 10 into 20 is 200. यहाँ पे हम लोग फिर वही करेंगे बेटा, माइनस साइन वाले अलग ऐड करो और प्लस वाले अलग ऐड करो. तो यहाँ पे माइनस के अगर हम अलग ऐड कर रहे हैं बेटा एफडी की वैल्यू, तो माइनस 150 माइनस 200 दैट इज माइनस 350. माइनस 350 और माइनस 250 तो कितना हो जाएगा बेटा, 600. नाउ प्लस वाला अलग ऐड करेंगे तो 200 200 400 हो गया. तो माइनस 600 और प्लस 400 कितना होगा बेटा, माइनस 200. नाउ वी विल पुट दिस वैल्यूज इन अ फॉर्मूला. मीन इज इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस सिग्मा एफ डी अपॉन एन. ए हमने 35 माना था एज्यूम मीन बेटा. एफ डी माइनस 200 आया हमारा, माइनस 200. एन मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी, टोटल ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी, वो कितनी थी हमारी, 100. Now, there are two signs over there, that is plus minus. It means plus into minus is minus. And 200 को 100 से अगर कैंसिल कर रहे हैं बेटा तो क्या आ रहा है, 2 आएगा. तो 35 minus 2 is 33. So this is your answer. Now this is the next question. Marks and statistics of a student of class 11th are given below. Find out arithmetic mean. अरिथमेटिक मीन निकालना है. यहाँ पे मार्क्स दिए हुए हैं बेटा. इफ यू विल सी हियर, द मार्क्स आर गिवन लेस देन 10, लेस देन 20, लेस देन 30, लेस देन 40 एंड लेस देन 50. इट मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, द वैल्यू विच इज गिवन, it is not a normal frequency, it is a cumulative frequency. Therefore, first we have to convert this series into a continuous series, and we have to convert the cumulative frequency into frequency. In a series, the difference is given less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. It means it is of 10. Now, to calculate the class interval, what we will do, less than 10 means the first class interval will start from 0, क्योंकि हमको 10 का डिफरेंस देना है और 10 से छोटी है वैल्यू. तो 0 to 10, next is 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on. लास्ट नंबर आपका बेटा लेस देन 50 लिखा था. इट मीन्स लास्ट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 40 से 50 बनेगी. हम 50 से 60 नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे, क्योंकि जब हम 50 से 60 ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं क्लास इंटरवल लास्ट वाला, इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबव 50 and in a question it is given less than 50. Now, it is clear how to calculate the class interval. Now, to calculate the frequency, the first value is same, that is 5. And the next values will calculate by subtracting the values of the next frequencies. As it is given 17, therefore to calculate the frequency of the class interval 10 to 20, the frequency is 17 minus 5, that is 12. Next, to calculate the frequency of 20 to 30, what we have to do, 31 minus 17, that is 14. 30 to 40, it is given 41, and to calculate its frequency, 41 minus 31, that is 10. And the last frequency, 49 minus 41, that is 8. Now, you have your marks, that is the class interval, and the frequency. We will calculate the x value. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 45. Frequency is given. We are using the direct method to calculate it. It means the formula is mean is equals to sigma fx upon sigma f. यही formula है. Now, it means we have to calculate fx. 5 into 5 is 25. 15 into 12 is 180. 25 into 14 is 350. 35 into 10 is 350. 45 into 8 is 360. तो अब हम fx का टोटल करेंगे and we will total for the frequency. It is fx का टोटल है बेटा 1265 and the frequency total is 49. Therefore, to calculate the value, what we will do, we will divide 1265 with 49, but we will get 25.82. This is your answer. I hope it is clear how to convert less than series to a normal continuous series. Okay. Now, weighted arithmetic mean. It refers to the average when different items of a series are given different weights according to their relative importance. जब अलग अलग values की अलग अलग weightage है, ठीक है? It refers to the average when different items of a series are given different weights. It means we have to calculate there a weighted mean. And to calculate the weighted mean, each variable is multiplied by its weight. Till now we are calculating the mean, we are calculating the individual values with frequency. Now in a weighted arithmetic mean, the x values are multiplied with weight. Okay? And repeat the multiplication process for all the variables and divided the sum by sum of all weights. Therefore, the formula is sigma wx by w. I hope it is clear. Now, we will do the question. Find out the weighted arithmetic mean from the following data. X is given and weight w is given. The same process we will do it here also. But we will do, first we will write the formula, that is mean weight is equals to sigma wx upon sigma w, क्योंकि वेटेड अरिथमेटिक मीन हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो उसको डिवाइड भी किससे करेंगे, सिग्मा डब्ल्यू से। और एफ एक्स की जगह यहाँ पे क्या कैलकुलेट होगा बेटा, डब्ल्यू एक्स। 15 into 100 that is 1500, 5 into 80 is 400, 10 into 70 is 700, 2 into 50 is 100. Now we will total the wx value, it is 2700, and we will total the weight value also, it is 300. Now we'll put it in the formula, 2700 divided by 300, the answer is 9. I hope it is clear. Now this is the next question. It is given the mean of 100 observation is 40. It is found that an observation 53 was misread as 83. Find the correct mean. यहाँ पे 100 observations का mean बता रहा है 40 है बेटा, and it is found that observation 53 was misread as 83. मतलब 53 जो observation थी वो आपने क्या read कर लिया, 83. Now we have to calculate the correct value of mean. In order to know the correct value of mean, first we have to calculate that is sigma x. When mean is given and number of observation is given, first we will put the value in a formula. Mean is equals to sigma x upon n. Mean is 40 and n is 100. It means sigma x is equals to 40 into 100. Incorrect value का total क्या आया बेटा, 4000. Now we have to calculate the correct value first. Incorrect value जो आपका total आया है उसमें से incorrect observation हम minus करेंगे and correct observation we will add. It means 4000 minus 83 plus 53. The answer is 3970. Now to calculate the correct mean, again we have to put it in the formula. Mean is equals to sigma x upon n, that is 3970 divided by 100. The answer is 39.7. I hope it is clear. Now this is another question. In this also we have to find out the correct value of the mean. The mean of 150 items was found to be 60. Later on, it was discovered that the value of 2 items was misread as 52 and 8 instead of 152 and 88 respectively. Find the correct mean. अब बेटा यहाँ पे हमने सीरीज में 2 वैल्यूज को गलत रीड किया है. हम वही सेम मेथड यहाँ पे भी यूज करेंगे. मीन ऑफ 150 आइटम 60 है तो सम ऑफ 150 आइटम्स पहले निकालेंगे हम. 150 इंटू 60 दैट इज 9000. अब न्यू सम निकालने के लिए मतलब करेक्ट सम निकालने के लिए आप क्या करोगे, 9000 में से रॉन्ग ऑब्जर्वेशंस को माइनस कर दें और करेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशंस को ऐड कर दें. तो 9000 माइनस ब्रैकेट में हमने लिखा है 52 प्लस 8, फिर प्लस करके करेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखिए 152 प्लस 88. द फाइनल आंसर इज 9180. Therefore, the correct value of the mean is 9180 divided by 150. क्योंकि number of observations कितने हैं, 150. The answer is 61.2. This is the correct value of mean. I hope it is clear. Thank you, students.